For me, forever artist means that you never stop learning and you discover something new every day. In this field, you never stop learning and you learn every day something new, even if you had knowledge of everything what you're using and everything what around, because we working with the skin and every time the skin is different and you adapt your needle knowledge about the color theory, machine speed, and your hand pressure. You adapt every time. It's very interesting and you never get bored. My academy offers dual language courses in English and Russian. I teach needle theory classes, color theory, pigmentology, powder eyebrows, lash enhancement, dark lip neutralization, and lip blush. I offer classes in person, Zoom classes, and also online, pre-recorded videos classes. I also do a lot of conventions and I have presentations for different topics. And I love to travel internationally and just to share my experience. Actually, Natalia Yeremenko, who has inspired me to learn hair stroke technique, and I think it's always hot topic, especially for clients who requesting a microblading. I think it's very, very important now to be up to date with all the new techniques and what this time is offering to us, all these new trends. I want to learn from her.